Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I am going to be making a Vietnamese marinated chicken. I have had this before, but only baked or grilled. And today I am going to attempt to make it in the air fryer. This is the chicken dish that we are making. And again, it's just a Vietnamese marinated chicken thighs. So I hope you give this a try and come cook with me. For this Vietnamese chicken, I just have about 2 pounds of bone-in, skin still on chicken thighs. I've washed them, just kind of rinsed them really well, patted them dry, and I'm going to put together the marinade, which is super simple. I don't know why I've never done this before. So I'm doing about 1 ounce of fish sauce, 2 parts of sugar, like 3 pinches of white pepper. I'm gonna press 3 cloves of garlic right into this. The way I've had this chicken has been grilled. I'm just going to try it in the air fryer, see how it turns out. The marinade's just basically kind of like a nuc cham, just without the lime. So I think when I serve this, I'll just do like some lime wedges, and I'm just going to do cucumber and white rice. So I'm just gonna combine that well, cover it, kind of massage it well into the chicken, and then let it marinate for at least 2 hours. I remember when my nephew made the meal that he did for me, he took his time kind of massaging the meat with the marinade. So I'm going to do that here with this chicken as well. I'm just kind of feeling the sugar. It's still very granulated, and I kind of want to break that down as much as possible because I'm going to air fry it, and I have a feeling it will burn really easily if I don't kind of dissolve it well. I think what I'll do too is start it skin side down and then cook the skin part last. We'll see. Okay, we're just gonna let that marinate. I said 2 hours, but I'm gonna let it marinate for about 20 minutes. Trying to hide all the burnt parts. I knew because of the sugar it was going to do that. There's our chicken thighs marinated in Vietnamese marinade. I'm glad I did not do chicken wings, otherwise they would have completely burned. At least with this, it was just the skin on the top. And I'm also glad that I started with skin side down, but now I'm wondering if I did skin side up and then flipped it this way, if it would have been okay. I don't know, I'll try it again another time. All right, I'm going to give this a try. Besides the little burnt parts, this is tastes exactly like something I've had before. I just never knew how to make it. This was the easiest marinade ever. I just have to figure out a better way to cook it. This is how badly it burned. Ooh, it's like scorching hot. Look at this. I should have known because of the sugar, and maybe I should have started it skin side up, but I'm just going to get rid of that. That's okay. I love Vietnamese food. Vietnamese food and Puerto Rican food, they're so flavorful. It's what I grew up having, and I'm just gonna keep making stuff and showing you. I haven't had a lot of this in a really long time. So I'm just eating this with rice and cucumbers and the chicken. It is really good. Thank you so much for being here and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you give this a try. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.